Okay, in this video we are going to concatenate strings. So let's say we are having two strings. Variable 1 is containing one string which is hello, and we are having one more variable var2 which is containing another string, let's say well. So I want to concatenate it. So let's say I want to print it, and inside the print I want to use the var1 plus var2. So plus operator will simply concatenate these, right? So let's run this. Okay, so as you can see, it both the strings are concatenated, but it is not a proper format. So what we can do is, inside this what we can do is put the queues, and whatever I want to put inside these, whether it's a comma or simply a space, so I will put it here. And then for the variable 2 you have to put one more wait, yeah, for another variable you have to put one more plus operator, right? So this operator for the variable one, and the middle one will be printed as it is, because inside the print function you can print anything inside the quotes. So this will simply print it, but these are the variables, so for that you are using the plus operator, right? So run this again. Now you can see the plus is added and even a space is added, which I added here. This is the one way. And even what else you can do here is you can add, let's say I write welcome here, welcome. Okay, and here I just want to use the, yeah, issue like this, but I have to put the plus sign also, right? So variable 1 will be printed, then comma, then space, then variable 2 will be printed plus, and after that I want to print this string also. So let's run this. So hello world, welcome, right? So in this way, by using the plus operator, you can keep on adding more strings, whatever you want to add, or any variable you want to use in between. So this is bit hectic, you can say. Well, you are going to use so many variables and keep on adding the strings, it's a bit complicated. So what else you can do is, by using the plus operator, sorry, uh, percentage operator. So let's say I want to use the variable 1 and variable 2. For that I'm going to use the percentage operator, and now I just want comma in between, and then one more. uh, Percentage operator is going to print, or you can say concatenate the strings, so that's why I'm writing uh, s here. So write here and then again s. So after that you have to write whatever you want to add is outside the queues. So now I'm going to actually define the percentage values. So this percentage value will be containing the var1. As I have used percentage two times, so I must mention two variable names. So first is var1 and var2, and there should be some space, I guess. Yeah, so here I use percentage s means a string will be here, and comma will be automatically added. As you can see, I added comma here inside the queues, so all these parts are inside the queues, and whatever you are going to write here will be added automatically. So now I'm going to define this percentage part, that for the first string the value will be var1, and for the second string the value will be var2. Okay, so let's run this. So second time you can see hello, and comma is as it is, and for the second one the value is var2, which is word. Okay, so one more way is, here you have to define a new variable first, and now you have to write a string, and here I'm going to use the placeholder. Placeholder is denoted by the curly brackets, and now I want a space, comma, and then one more placeholder, and outside this uh, I can write anything whatever I want to be printed. So let's say dot, and then I want to write welcome, and yeah, I think it's right. Okay, so welcome, and now I want to define this format. Now this format, I think there will be a dot, yeah. Okay, so now this inside the format, these placeholder are going to be replaced, so I must tell it the values. For example, the first one is the var1 and then var2. What happened here is this placeholder will be replaced by the var1 and this placeholder will be replaced by the var2. This comma will stay as it is and the space will be the same I have entered, and dot means this dot will be as it is and welcome will be as it is, and after that I have defined the format function. Okay, so let's see how it looks like. There is some error. There should be no dot here, I guess. Okay, so I think it should be inside the dot will be printed as it is, and whatever I'm going to write is should be inside the quotes, right? Okay, so for for this particular way, when I'm using the format function, first you have to put inside the queues everything you want to be printed, and first the placeholder means we are going to use a variable here, and second placeholder means another variable, and then as it is the dot will be same, the comma will be same, and this string will be printed as it is. So let's run this now. So I have not printed it, so print message. Okay, because it's just saved inside a variable. So run this again. So hello, then space, then comma, then space, then word, dot as it is, welcome, and then var1 and var2 are replaced by this placeholder hello and word. Okay, so in the next video we are going to understand one more function which is called join, which is used for the tuples and lists and sets.